In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the sound from a video. So if you have a video and you want to go in, remove or mute the audio, I'm going to show you how we can do this. So we're just going to start by opening up an internet browser, and then you need to type in VLC Media Player and press enter. You can then click on this top website, which is videolan.org. Now this is a free application that you can download on both Windows and Mac, and we're just going to press the download VLC button. Now you can also download this directly on the Microsoft Store. So if you don't want to download it from an internet browser, you can just type in VLC on the Microsoft Store and you can download this application here, which is the VLC Media Player. Now once you have this installed, open up the start menu and search for VLC, and then we can just open up the app. So what we need to do is click on Media in the top left hand side and click on Convert and Save. You can then click on this Add button, and then once again go and upload your video. You can then press Convert and Save at the bottom, click on the drop down arrow next to Profile, and then go and set this to video H.264 plus MP3 and in brackets MP4. You can then click on this gear icon, click on Audio Codec, and uncheck the option next to Audio. You can then go and press Save. Now go and click on Browse and select where you want to go and save this new video to. So I'm going to save it over on my desktop, and then we can press Save. Now finally, just press the Start button. Now you'll need to wait while VLC Media Player goes and removes the audio from that video track. Once it's finished converting, you can head over to your documents, and you should now be able to find your video without the audio in the background. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.